Global oil prices continue to climb, pressuring transport costs and driver incomes. Grab Philippines is rolling out a fuel relief program for its driver partners. But many drivers say short-term support is not enough and are now calling for longer-term solutions as fuel costs remain volatile. Chil Emprido has the details.
Motorists and TNVS drivers are bracing for another blow in petroleum prices this week. This comes as another round of double-digit oil price increases per liter is expected starting Tuesday. In connection with this, Grab Philippines has launched a new program for its drivers and motorcycle taxi riders nationwide to protect their livelihood and income while ensuring reliable service for passengers and customers. According to Grab Philippines Director Ronald Roda, it is important to ensure that drivers continue to earn enough under the fuel relief program. Driver partners can get fuel discounts of up to 4 pesos per liter at partner fuel stations such as Sea Oil, Caltex, and Blue Energy. Meanwhile, around 20,000 qualified drivers and riders using Shell fuel cards may also receive a 3 peso per liter rebate. But some TNVS drivers and riders says that the program is still not enough, especially that there is no guarantee that all drivers will receive the subsidy. Driver Marlon Macaraig said they consider themselves lucky if they're able to receive such assistance, especially now that they're also experiencing less passenger bookings due to rising fuel prices.
Walang kasiguraduhan yung fuel subsidy para sa amin mga bupit. Kumbaga tanggapin kung anong meron. Kung meron man o di mabalat kami, mas maganda. Kasi laking tulong po sa amin yun dahil sobrang taas talaga ng gas, lalo ngayon matumal ang pasahero. Wala po kami magawa at anong lakas ng boses namin. Kumbaga rate is rate ng movie yan. Wala na kami magagawa doon. Mag-request ka man, tatagal ang proseso, baka bumaba na yung langis, hindi pa rin mataas yung rate.
Meanwhile, TNVS driver John Manalo said that the real issues that need to be addressed are low fares and high commission rates. He lamented that drivers are already suffering losses due to the continued rise in gasoline prices. That's why some transport groups are now pushing for increased fares and lower commission rates to help ease their burden. Manalo said drivers are now almost shouldering the operating costs themselves just to meet the boundary and daily expenses. They're also proposing that fares be increased at least during rush hour.
Medyo makakatulong ng konti pero kung tutusin hindi po sapat. Dati kasi nagagas lang ako ng 800 to 900, ngayon 1.5 to 1.6 na po eh. Wala pang kita ma'am. Magpahinga na lang muna siguro ma'am. Hindi na talaga kami kita kasi nabagano na eh. Mag-aabono ka na eh. Baka na pwede sila magparaya, magbaba naman ng komisyon kahit paano. Nalayan na lang kahit paano, bawasan nila. Tapos pag rush hour naman kahit paano, taasan nila yung pamasahe. Kasi minsan talo pa sa gas eh. Kaya pag traffic, talagang kikitain. Kaya ganito, tambay-tambay lang kaysa maubos yung gas. Mag-aantay ng booking.
In the meantime, the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board has already approved a fare increase for jeepneys and buses following a series of big-time oil price hikes. However, the exact amount of the fare adjustment will be announced on Tuesday. The approved fare hike will cover all transport groups that previously filed petitions for fare increases, including jeepney and bus operators. Meanwhile, taxis and UV Express vehicles are not yet included in the announcement, as their petitions were only recently filed and still need to undergo public hearings and the nationwide consultation process. Chil Emprido, Abante.